Hello guys, I am Pratisha. Today I have made a recipe named Emoji at home, like smileys. It's very tasty. I love it like smileys. I think you also made at your home and taste it. It is very tasty. Toodles, toodles.
Sharing a recipe, how to cook emoji at home. The main ingredients I am using to cook this dish are potato and bread. The other ingredients for adding taste to the dish are jeera powder, black pepper powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt. After boiling the potatoes, I am using a mixer grinder to grind the bread. Now smashing the potato in a mixer grinder. Now mixing all the ingredients properly. A dough is prepared by mixing the boiled potato with the bread and with the other ingredients. Putting small amount of cooking oil, and now I am flattening the dough by using my hands. Using a steel glass to cut it and giving it a round shape. Creating the eyes using the handle of a plastic spoon. And by using the mouth of a stainless steel spoon to give the shape of a mouth on the emoji dish. After heating the cooking oil, I am frying the emoji dish. Deep fry it in low steam, so that it gets cooked properly from all side and inside. Now serve it hot and enjoy it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.
Very tasty. Tasty and spicy.